Dear students, our first practical experiment is vernier caliper. The title of the experiment is to measure the diameter of a small spherical or cylindrical body using vernier caliper. So this is a vernier caliper. So are you able to see this vernier caliper? So this is a main scale. This is a main scale. That movable scale is called as a vernier scale. There are the two types of scales, main scale and vernier scale. The main scale is similar to our centimeter scale. Then the vernier scale has 10 divisions. Are you able to see the divisions? Yes, students? Yes, this is a first division of the vernier scale. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big line. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there is a no unit for this vernier scale. It is, we have to say only divisions. Mention only in divisions. But for main scale, it is in centimeters. So it is in centimeters. So vernier scale has two jaws, lower jaws and upper jaws. The lower two jaws are used to measure the diameter or the what is that? Diameter of the cylinder or the spherical body, even the breadth of the scale we can say. So I take this duster. I want to measure the breadth of this duster means by using like this. Okay. So by this only I have to measure the breadth of the duster. If I want to measure the inner diameter means what, where we have to use? We have to use the upper jaws. So this is the inner diameter. Likewise only we have to measure the inner and outer diameter of the any given body. Before we start our experiment, we have to measure the zero error of the any given vernier caliper. So this is the vernier caliper. So we know that this is a main scale reading and this is a main scale and this is a vernier scale. If the two jaws are joined together, just you note down these errors. So listen carefully, students. So this is a main scale first reading. This is a vernier scale first reading. When the main scale first reading and the vernier scale first reading, the zero of the main scale is exactly coincident with the zero of the vernier scale. This is the vernier scale. This is the main scale. You have to take on only the lower scale, not upper scale. So this is a inches. This is in centimeters. So this 0 centimeter is exactly coincide with the zero of the vernier scale means that error is called zero error. There is no error in the given vernier caliper. If we assume that if the zero of the vernier scale is just right side, this zero is here. If the zero of the vernier scale is right side to the zero of the main scale means this error is called as positive error. How to calculate the positive error? Very simple. So first you found that if the zero of the main vernier scale is right side to the zero of the main scale means zero of the vernier scale is right side to the zero of the main scale means you have to put positive here, plus sign. Then clearly observe one by one. Clearly observe one by one. We are able to see that this fifth line of the vernier scale is exactly coincident with some divisions in the main scale. Don't bother about the main scale division. So the fifth division of the main scale is exactly coincident with some divisions in the main scale. So we can write this is a positive 5. So what is the error? This error is a positive 5 divisions. Then 0 corrections means, so what is that? Plus has to be written in minus. So if you have the positive, here you have to mind for the correction minus, then 5 into least count. So the least count of the vernier scale is, least count of vernier scale is 0.01 centimeter. So we will say calculate what is how the 0.01 centimeter will come. We will calculate later. So here you substitute, it is minus 0.05 centimeter. So are you not able to understand? Means I will write step by step. So what is that? Minus as it is. Listen carefully. If it is a positive, right side means you have to put plus. For the correction, you change the sign to minus, then 5 into 0.01 centimeter. So what we will get? It is minus 0.05 centimeter. So this is the zero correction. If the zero of this vernier scale, if the zero of this vernier scale is come left side, it is not possible. In some frequently using vernier calipers, there may be a error occurs. So this zero, the first division of the vernier scale is comes to left side of the main scale, means that error is called as negative error. That error is called as negative error. Listen, for negative error, so what we are doing in the positive error, if it is the right side means we have to put plus. So if the vernier scale first line, if the vernier scale first line is left side to the main scale, means you have to put minus sign. Then you have to observe which division will exactly coincide with main scale after that. So let us assume that fourth division is exactly coincide with which one? The main scale. So what you have to do that? The totally 10 divisions are there. We have to subtract with 10. So whenever the negative error will comes, means you have to subtract with the total 10 divisions are there. Here there is a total 10 divisions in the vernier scale. So the 10 divisions has to be subtracted. So 10 minus 4. Again I will say students, first for negative error what you have to do that? See that the first division of the vernier scale, if it is lies on the left side, means you have to put minus. Then you have to put a bracket, put 10. That is out of 10, which division it will coincide? Let us assume that it is the fourth division, exactly fourth division of the vernier scale, exactly coincide with the any one division in the main scale. So I will write like this, minus 10 minus 4. So what it will come? The answer is minus 6 divisions. Now as it is, what is the zero correction formula? The zero correction formula is, if it is a positive sign means you have to put minus. If it is a negative error means you have to put plus. Then 6 into 0.01 centimeter. That is the least count value. The answer is plus 0.06 centimeter. That means, what is it meaning? Means, if it is a positive error means, the answer is this much divisions lower value. What your calculated value is less than the true value. If it is negative error means, the calculated value is greater than the true value. So like this we have to see that. Sorry students, if it is a positive error means the calculated value is greater than the true value. So only we have to subtract some divisions. If it is a negative error means the calculated value is less than the true value. So only we have to attain that positive sign. So these are all the basic things for vernier caliper. So how the vernier caliper least count will come? 0.01 centimeters. Very simple. So this is the calculation. So one main scale is equal to 1 millimeter. So that is in main scale. Each and every division is 1 millimeter or 0.1 centimeter. So 0.1 centimeter or 1 millimeter. So 10 vernier scale division is equal to 9 main scale division. If we exactly coincide this one, what is they are saying, that means the 10 main scale division, first 1 centimeter is exactly equal to, first 9 divisions in the main scale is equal to 10 vernier scale division. So 10 vernier scale division is equal to 9 main scale division. This is a 10 main scale division, and that will be exactly coincide with the 9th division. Are you able to see that? This 10th division is exactly coincide with 9th division. So this is a 9 main scale division. Main scale division means this one, vernier scale division means this one, 10 vernier scale division is equal to 9 main scale division. Then 1 vernier scale division is equal to 9 by 10 main scale division. 1 main scale division is equal to 1 millimeter. So we get 9 by 10 is 0.9 mm. So the least count calculation is 1 main scale division minus 1 vernier scale division. That is the formula. So 1 main scale division is 1 millimeter. 1 vernier scale division is 0.9 millimeter. So answer is 0.1 millimeter. 0.1 millimeter is equal to 0.01 centimeter. That is given here. So this is the basics for vernier caliper.